EUA in general is very mindful of the essential role of universities in educating the next generation of researchers, normally done through doctoral programs, doctoral education we call it. And in the case of energy, we find a field where we can realize how the programs need to evolve to be more adapted to the needs of society, even for doctorates. It is often questioned about what is the role of doctorates in society, and I think that the energy field offers a perfect platform to realize what is the essential role of these highly educated people in defining or finding new solutions to make faster the energy transition. Emerging new fields in research and innovation, not exempt of controversy, because we are aware that doctoral candidates working in highly interdisciplinary fields may have some problems when it comes to assessment, as there are no real expertise built into the interdisciplinary field. But I think that society does require this type of studies, much more broad than pure technology or pure science. So the awareness of the consequences in society have become, or it will become more and more important for doctoral studies.